In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new app called Clubhouse. And no, it's not Mickey Mouse's Clubhouse. Stay tuned. My name is Anita, and I'm a video marketing and social media strategist. I help business owners just like you get more visible through video marketing and content repurposing. Before we get started, I want to invite you to grab my free guide to content repurposing. It's going to give you 25 ways to get more out of your content. As always, I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel where I create videos every week to help you with your business. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoy hearing about new social media platforms and how to leverage them for your business. Now, I just told you I am a fan of video, but yet I'm going to be sharing with you this new app called Clubhouse, which doesn't use video or images at all. It really is an audio-only app. What I find it very similar to is an interactive podcast that is connected to others like you are in a Zoom call, and it really reminds me of the chat rooms of the early 2000s. The difference, however, is the goal is to create quality conversation. This isn't for your manufactured content. This is for you to interact with others who may be in a similar or different niche than you are, as well as connect with people who perhaps you would not have previously been able to talk to. Now, some things you need to know about Clubhouse right now. At the time of this video, Clubhouse is invite only. So you must know somebody who can invite you, and each person only gets a restricted number of invitations. It looks like so far that the more you participate, the more invites you get. So if you're already on Clubhouse and you've only used your initial one invite that everyone gets, make sure you dive in and participate, and you might get some more. The next thing you need to know is that Clubhouse is right now an iPhone only option. So if you don't yet have an iPhone, know that you can register your username, but you won't be able to participate in this app until they expand. Now, Clubhouse is a beta app at this point, and so it is brand new. So changes will absolutely be coming. Now, if you're somebody who is waiting for an invite, you can go ahead and reserve your username. And when people that already have your phone number in their phone join Clubhouse, some of them might get the opportunity to add you into the app. A little notification pops up that says the given person's username who registered, and then asks, would you like to go ahead and let them in? This can be done even if you don't have any current invites. Now, that main feed when you open the Clubhouse app is called the hallway. And in the hallway, you are going to see a few things. At the top, you're going to see a schedule. Now, that schedule is based on the times that certain rooms will be happening based on who you're following. So you don't get an entire list of every room that's going to happen. But if you were following one of the people who scheduled it, it will put it in that scheduling area. Under that, you're going to see the different rooms that those you follow or connected to are participating in. And that's going to allow you to know if they are speaking. There'll be a little speech bubble by them, or if they are just a part of that room. You then, under that, have an explore button, which is going to let you see more places if you are looking for new types of rooms. And then you also have the opportunity to start a room. Now, you can start an open or a closed room, but you want to make sure no matter what it is that you're doing on Clubhouse that you're bringing genuine quality value. When you click on a given room, you are added to the audience, and you can, in the bottom right-hand corner, hit the hand raise option, and that can allow the moderator to invite you as a speaker. Now, when you're not actively speaking, you want to make sure to mute your microphone. But when you are speaking, you can unmute and contribute quality conversation. You want to treat this like a networking opportunity. So you want to absolutely listen, provide valuable commentary, ask questions, be engaged, but this isn't a one-person show. Now, one of the things that you might see while you are listening in on Clubhouse is that at times people will blink their microphone symbol. This is like applause in the Clubhouse space. So if you see that while you're talking, know that people are resonating with what it is that you're saying. Now, you do have the option on Clubhouse to create a profile, and it does give you quite a bit of space for you to customize that. So you want to make sure that you are sharing quality information, such as what it is you do, who you help, and connecting any social media that you have. It does allow you to connect your Instagram and Twitter if you have it. So far, I have really enjoyed Clubhouse because it has been a great opportunity to meet new people. So if you aren't yet connected with me, I am at Anita Morin on Clubhouse. It is against the community guidelines to record anything in Clubhouse. So this isn't going to be an app where content repurposing becomes a big thing unless their guidelines change. But I always want to bring you as much information as I can to help you grow your business. And in 2020, when many of our in-person business networking efforts have been canceled and moved online, this opportunity with the app Clubhouse is really going to give you a lot of benefit for your business. You are going to be able to meet potentially with some of your ideal clients. You are going to be able to coordinate collaborations as well as build a new opportunity to bring awareness to what it is that you're doing. But even more important than what it can do for you, you have the opportunity to help others, connect with others, be influenced by others on the app. And I can tell you some of the conversations that I've already had on Clubhouse have impacted some of the way that I'm thinking about my business in 2021. If you haven't joined Clubhouse and you get the opportunity to do so, it is one of my new favorite places, and I hope you'll connect with me there. Now, if you're wondering how you can grow your business in 2021 outside of the Clubhouse app, go ahead and watch the video I'm putting on the screen now, which is going to give you my 5 best tips for growing your business this year. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.